aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları, özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.
Hello everybody, welcome to our second English lesson. As you remember, last week we talked about the fifth unit, and it was about into the future. It was about the future, and we learned some vocabularies about the space, galaxy, and Milky Way, planet, some words like this. We learned them, we learned their meanings, and we learned their pronunciation, how they pronounce actually. And after that, we finished page 64 and 65, and today we will go on with page 66 and with 67. But first of all, I have got a video, and this video is about stars, and it's about astronomy science, and I want you to watch that video. Let's go on.
Since the dawn of time, people have been fascinated by the heavens. In fact, astronomy is our oldest science. Some believe that Stonehenge, which is more than 5,000 years old, was an ancient calculator designed to predict solar eclipses. But it was the ancient Greeks who developed the first theory of the universe, with the Earth at its center. In the 15th century, Nicholas Copernicus proposed a new model. The Sun was at the center, with the planets circling around it. His theory permanently changed the way we see our world. With the invention of the telescope in the 17th century, new planets were discovered. This was the time of great scientists like Galileo Galilei, Johann Kepler, and Isaac Newton, who gave us a new understanding of the universe. Today, we know that the Sun is the center of our solar system. Also, we know now the four largest planets, or gas giants, are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Scientists sometimes call this the outer solar system. The inner solar system consists of four smaller, rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Most planets also act as the center of their own system, surrounded by moons and planetary rings. But moving outward, the Sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy. And our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. New technology, like the Space Telescope, allows us to see farther and farther into space. The Herschel was the largest, most powerful telescope launched into space. 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth, Herschel's mission was to collect information on galaxies formed more than 10 billion years ago. Herschel's mission ended in 2013, leaving astronomers with a lot of unexpected results and countless new questions. Scientists will, no doubt, try to find the answers for decades to come.
Okay, we finished our video. It was about, as I said, astronomy science. Yes, we watched the video and we finished it, and it was about astronomy science. And now we have got a small paragraph. We are going to read it, and there are some sentences. We are going to choose the correct form of will, according to the paragraph, of course. And yes, let me read it for you, that paragraph. I'm going to read it for you. It's about space, vocations in space actually. I'm starting for you. Vocations in space. Tired of museums? Fed up with mountains? Bored with the beach? Well, you won't get bored at new hotel in space. Lots of activities will be an offer for tourists at the Space Hotel. As you can see in the pictures, reservation will be available for 2020. You won't find a more exciting vacations anywhere. That's really interesting, I think. He said that, the writer said that, we are going to have some vacations in space, and it will be very different from other vacations actually. And there are some pictures as you see here, and let's read the sentences and let's choose the correct answer. Let me take a pen for you. Okay, I'm reading the first one. Space tourists will or won't walk in space. What do you think about it? Okay, look at the pictures, please. There are 3 pictures, and in the second one, we can see that there is a tourist and he is walking in a space, so I'm choosing will for you here. And now I'm reading the second one. They will or won't sleep in a bed. I want you to check that picture. Is he sleeping in a bed? No, he is above the bed, so we are choosing they won't sleep in a bed. Let's check the other one. They will or won't go to the beach. Are they in beach? Of course no, so we are choosing no, they won't go to the beach. Okay, let's read the fourth one. They will or won't visit Mars. Okay, will they visit Mars? Of course yes, because this vacation is in space and Mars is in space too. So let me choose will for you. They will or won't go to the park. Of course they won't go to the park because they will go to different planets actually, or they will go to moon maybe. So let's read the last one. They will or won't eat traditional food. I think they won't eat traditional food because in space they are going to bring some food with them and they are going to eat it there. So they won't eat traditional food. Okay, we finished our first activity. Let's go on with the second one. Okay, here we have got a listening. We are going to listen it, and we have got some sentences, some questions actually. We are going to put that questions in order, and I want you to be very careful. I'm going to stop it for you, and I will let you to put these questions in orders. Let's go on. Let's start actually.
Listen and number the questions.
Hi there. Today I'm talking to celebrity scientist Dr. Leah Martinez. Hello, Dr. Martinez.
Hi, Ricky.
Okay, my first question is, will people live on other planets in the future?
Okay, did you hear him? He said that my first question, he start to the sentence like this. My first question, will people live on other planets in the future? And so we find our first question as this one. I wrote number 1 for you, but it's like funny number 1. Let me go on.
They will live on Mars, and they'll live on the moon, of course. But normal people won't live there, only scientists and engineers and other specialist workers.
Wow, where will they stay on these planets?
They will stay in controlled environments, you know, like in a giant glass dome.
Did you hear him? He said, Where will they stay? Where will they stay? So this is number 2. Okay.
What will they do?
They'll work.
And the third question is here. What will they do? Okay, let's find it. Okay, it's here. It's number 3. I couldn't write it, but I will try it again. It is number 3. Yes.
They'll do science experiments.
What will people eat?
They'll grow their own.
The third question is here. You heard it. What will people eat? Okay, let's put 4 here. Okay.
Food, and they'll eat that.
Will tourists go there on vacation?
Yeah.
Okay, the 5th question. Will tourists go there on vacations? Let's write 5 here. Okay.
They will, but they won't be like summer vacations here on Earth.
When will this happen?
It won't happen for 100 years.
Okay, the 6th one. When will this happen? Okay.
Will life be boring?
No, it won't. I think life in space will be just amazing.
And the
Thank you, Dr.
last
Martinez.
Not at all.
and the last question, will life be boring? Okay, we finished them. Now, here we have got the answers here. So we are going to read the question and we are going to find the correct answer. Okay, let's start with the first one. Will people live on other planets in the future? Let's check the sentences all together. They will stay in a giant glass dome. They will work. They will live on the moon and on Mars. They will grow their own food and they will eat that. It won't happen for 100 years. Yes, they will. No, it won't. Okay, I read the answers for you. And now, again, we are going to listen and we are going to match the question with the answers.
Listen and number the questions.
Hi there. Today I'm talking to celebrity scientist Dr. Leah Martinez. Hello, Dr. Martinez.
Hi, Ricky.
Okay, my first question is, will people live on other planets in the future?
Yes, they will. They will live on Mars, and they'll live on the moon, of course. But
Yes, as you hear her, I think you hear her, and she said, yes, they will. They will live on the Mars. This is the answer of the first question. Let me write number 1 here. Let's go on.
Well, people won't live there. Only scientists and engineers and other specialist workers.
Wow. Where will they stay on these planets?
They will stay in controlled environments. You know, like in a giant glass dome.
Okay, where will they stay? They will stay in giant glass dome. So this is number 2, everybody. We write 2 here. Let's go on.
They do.
They'll work. They'll do science experiments.
Okay, what will they do? And they will work, she said. So we write number 3 here. Let's go on.
What will people eat?
They'll grow their own food and they'll eat that.
What will they do? What will they eat? She said that they will grow their own food. So this is number 4, everybody. Okay. It's funny 4.
Will tourists go there on vacation?
Yes, they will. But they won't be like summer.
Okay. So, yes, they will. This is our 5th answer. Okay, let's go on.
Vacations here on Earth.
When will this happen?
It won't happen for 100 years.
Okay, when will this happen? It won't happen for 100 years. This is number 6. Okay, 6. And the last one.
Will life be boring?
No, it won't. I think life in space will be just amazing.
Thank you, Dr. Martinez.
Not at all.
And he asked that will life will be boring, and she said no, it won't. So this is number 7. Let me write it here again for you. Okay, this is number 7. Today we finished our lesson. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching to me. Goodbye.
Aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları, özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.